The stock market shuddered, tech giants trembled, investors panicked. The cause? A revolutionary AI known as DeepSeek. This wasn't just another algorithm update, this was a seismic shift in the technological landscape. DeepSeek sent shockwaves through the financial world, leaving analysts scrambling. Billions were lost and gained in the blink of an eye. Established players like Google and Microsoft found their dominance challenged. Meanwhile, AI-focused startups surged, fueled by DeepSeek's promise. The age of DeepSeek had arrived with immense promise and trepidation. DeepSeek wasn't just another search engine, it was a window into the future of information retrieval. Unlike traditional search engines, DeepSeek promised understanding. It could analyze data, identify patterns, and deliver insights with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Imagine complex research projects completed in hours, journalists uncovering hidden truths, and businesses making decisions based on real-time analysis. DeepSeek heralded a new era where information was not just accessible but truly understandable. The implications were staggering, touching upon everything from scientific discovery to financial markets. DeepSeek at its core is an AI-powered search engine, but that description barely scratches the surface. Unlike traditional search engines, DeepSeek delves deeper, employing advanced algorithms to comprehend context and meaning. Imagine typing a complex question into DeepSeek and receiving a concise, curated set of answers. DeepSeek doesn't just point you in the right direction, it guides you to the precise destination. This ability to understand and synthesize information sets DeepSeek apart. It's a partner in knowledge acquisition, capable of processing vast quantities of data and distilling it into actionable insights. Whether you're a student, journalist, or business leader, DeepSeek offers a powerful new way to navigate information. At the heart of DeepSeek's capabilities lies its ability to understand language, not just grammar and syntax, but meaning and intent. This is achieved through natural language processing and machine learning. Imagine asking DeepSeek a question about the economic implications of the 2022 energy crisis. DeepSeek can analyze countless sources, identify relevant data points, and present a comprehensive analysis. This deep understanding extends beyond simple question answering. DeepSeek can summarize documents, translate languages, and even generate creative content. DeepSeek represents a paradigm shift in how we interact with information. Imagine a world where research papers write themselves, complex data sets are transformed into visualizations, and language barriers cease to exist. The implications of this technology are far-reaching, touching every aspect of our lives. In education, DeepSeek could personalize learning. In healthcare, it could assist doctors in making diagnoses. In business, it could identify market trends and optimize operations. However, it's crucial to address concerns about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and job displacement. DeepSeek isn't content with simply being another search engine. It aspires to be a knowledge discovery platform that redefines how we interact with information. Unlike traditional search engines, DeepSeek delves deeper, employing advanced AI to understand human language and data relationships. Imagine searching for information on the economic implications of climate change. DeepSeek acts as an intelligent research assistant, identifying key themes and presenting a curated overview. This shift from keyword-driven search to meaning-driven discovery sets DeepSeek apart. One of DeepSeek's key differentiators is its ability to understand context. When you type a query, it analyzes surrounding information, search history, and location to provide personalized results. Imagine searching for the best pizza while traveling. DeepSeek recommends pizzerias that are nearby, open, and aligned with your taste. This contextual awareness extends beyond simple queries. DeepSeek provides a holistic and insightful search experience, anticipating your needs. DeepSeek's prowess stems from its advanced AI algorithms and access to vast amounts of data. It taps into diverse sources including academic databases, financial records, and social media trends. This data-driven approach allows DeepSeek to provide insights impossible to glean from surface-level web searches. For example, a financial analyst could ask DeepSeek to analyze the impact of rising interest rates on the tech sector. DeepSeek provides a detailed report with historical data, predictive models, and key takeaways. It transforms raw data into actionable intelligence, empowering users to make informed decisions. DeepSeek's capabilities are the product of a sophisticated AI engine built on cutting-edge machine learning techniques. At its core lies a deep neural network, mimicking the structure of the human brain. This neural network is trained on a massive scale, ingesting trillions of words, images, and data points. Through supervised learning, DeepSeek identifies patterns and develops an understanding of information relationships. As it processes more data, its neural network becomes increasingly sophisticated. This ability to learn and adapt makes DeepSeek powerful, providing cutting-edge search and analysis capabilities. DeepSeek's remarkable capabilities stem from its ability to understand natural language. This is achieved through natural language processing techniques, allowing DeepSeek to decipher human communication. At the heart of DeepSeek's NLP engine lies a powerful language model. This model analyzes vast amounts of text to learn word probabilities in different contexts. DeepSeek can perform tasks like translating languages, summarizing documents, and answering complex questions. It bridges the gap between human language and machine computation, making it a powerful tool for knowledge discovery. DeepSeek's capabilities result from a symphony of interconnected algorithms. These algorithms work together to provide a seamless user experience. One algorithm is responsible for information retrieval, identifying relevant documents and data points. Another algorithm handles data visualization, transforming complex data into charts and graphs. This allows users to quickly grasp key trends and gain a deeper understanding of the data. DeepSeek's algorithms provide a comprehensive and intuitive search and analysis process. Google has long reigned supreme in the search engine realm. Its vast index and sophisticated ranking algorithms make it the go-to destination for online information retrieval. However, DeepSeek's emergence poses a challenge to Google's dominance. DeepSeek delivers highly relevant, context-aware results, cutting through the noise. If DeepSeek can provide a more efficient search experience, it could entice users away from Google. DeepSeek's focus on data analysis and insightful reports could democratize access to sophisticated data analysis. OpenAI's ChatGPT has showcased the remarkable capabilities of conversational AI. ChatGPT's ability to engage in human-like dialogue and generate creative content has captivated users. However, DeepSeek introduces a new dynamic to the conversational AI landscape. DeepSeek connects language to a vast knowledge base, providing accurate, context-aware responses. DeepSeek's independence from OpenAI's API gives it a strategic advantage. This independence allows DeepSeek to offer features or integrations that ChatGPT may not match. Section 3, a trifecta of titans, the future of AI. The emergence of DeepSeek signifies a pivotal moment in AI evolution. Google, OpenAI, and DeepSeek are now in a fierce competition. The future of AI is rapidly approaching reality. These titans will shape its trajectory. Section 1, a tale of three titans. The emergence of DeepSeek has ignited a fascinating three-way battle in the world of AI and search, pitting it against established giants Google and OpenAI. Each contender brings unique strengths and weaknesses to the arena, creating a dynamic landscape where innovation and adaptation are paramount to survival. Understanding their differences is key to grasping the potential impact of DeepSeek and the future of AI-powered search. Google, the undisputed king of search, boasts an unrivaled index of web pages and a sophisticated understanding of user intent based on years of accumulated data. Its strength lies in its breadth and accessibility, providing users with a vast repository of information at their fingertips. However, DeepSeek challenges Google's dominance with its laser focus on delivering precise, context-aware results, potentially appealing to users who prioritize efficiency and accuracy over sheer volume of information. OpenAI's ChatGPT, on the other hand, has taken the world by storm with its remarkable conversational abilities. ChatGPT excels at generating human-like text, engaging in open-ended dialogue, and even crafting creative content. However, DeepSeek differentiates itself by anchoring its conversational abilities to a vast knowledge base, enabling it to provide not just engaging dialogue but also data-driven insights and connections that ChatGPT, with its current focus on language generation, may not be able to match. Section 2. DeepSeek carving its niche. DeepSeek, the newest contender in this AI trifecta, distinguishes itself through its unique combination of AI-powered search and advanced data analysis. Unlike Google, which prioritizes breadth of information, or ChatGPT, which excels at conversational fluency, DeepSeek aims to provide users with a more focused, insightful, and data-driven experience. Imagine searching for information on a complex topic, such as the potential impact of artificial intelligence on the job market. A Google search might yield millions of results, requiring you to sift through countless articles and reports to piece together a coherent understanding. ChatGPT might engage you in a fascinating conversation about AI and its implications, but without the grounding of a comprehensive knowledge base, its responses might lack depth and accuracy. DeepSeek, on the other hand, could analyze vast amounts of data from sources ranging from academic journals to economic forecasts to social media sentiment, synthesizing the information and presenting you with a concise, insightful report tailored to your specific query. This ability to connect the dots across disparate datasets and present findings in a user-friendly format is where DeepSeek truly shines, offering a glimpse into the future of data-driven decision-making. The DeepSeek advantage unveiling the powerhouse. DeepSeek bursts onto the scene with a formidable array of strengths, challenging the established order. It cuts through digital noise, delivering precise, context-aware results, unlike traditional search engines. Imagine a research assistant processing millions of documents instantly. DeepSeek empowers users to bypass information overload and dive into knowledge. Whether you're a student, a journalist, or a business leader, DeepSeek offers a powerful new way to navigate information. Section 2. Navigating the Data Deluge. DeepSeek's challenges. Despite its impressive capabilities, DeepSeek is not without its limitations. As with any emerging technology, it faces challenges that must be addressed to fully realize its potential and ensure its responsible development and deployment. One of the most pressing concerns revolves around data privacy and security, as DeepSeek's insatiable appetite for data raises questions about how user information is collected, stored, and utilized. The sheer volume of data processed by DeepSeek necessitates robust security measures to prevent unauthorized access, breaches, and misuse of sensitive information. Users need to have confidence that their data is being handled responsibly and ethically, with appropriate safeguards in place to protect their privacy. Transparency is key, and DeepSeek must clearly communicate its data handling practices, giving users control over their own information and addressing any concerns about potential misuse. Another challenge facing DeepSeek is the potential for algorithmic bias. Like all AI systems, DeepSeek is shaped by the data it is trained on, and if that data reflects existing societal biases, those biases can be amplified and perpetuated in DeepSeek's results. Addressing this challenge requires ongoing efforts to identify and mitigate bias in training data, ensuring that DeepSeek's insights are fair, objective, and representative of diverse perspectives. Section 3. The road ahead, balancing promise and responsibility. DeepSeek stands at a crossroads, balancing immense potential with ethical responsibility. Transparency, accountability, and user empowerment are key to building trust. Open dialogue with stakeholders is crucial. Users should understand algorithms and provide feedback. This fosters trust and accountability. Addressing job displacement requires retraining and new skills. DeepSeek can empower individuals and shape a brighter future. Section 1. DeepSeek, a disruptive force. DeepSeek is revolutionizing technology, challenging the status quo and igniting excitement and speculation. Its precise, data-driven results captivate users and investors, positioning it as a major disruptor. DeepSeek's rapid rise highlights the ever-changing tech landscape, challenging even the biggest players. Its impact spans finance, healthcare, education, and research, revolutionizing countless industries. DeepSeek promises a future of smarter, faster, and more informed decisions. However, ethical considerations and potential downsides must be addressed responsibly. Data privacy, algorithmic bias, and workforce impact are key challenges. Open dialogue and responsible development are crucial for harnessing DeepSeek's power. Embracing the future. AI is transforming our world, reshaping lives profoundly. From self-driving cars to intelligent assistants, AI permeates every aspect of our existence. We must approach AI with cautious optimism, embracing its potential and limitations. Strive for fairness, accountability, and transparency. The future of AI is ours to shape. Let's ensure AI serves humanity. Together we can unlock AI's transformative potential.
Please like, comment, and share. Please like, comment, and share.